GM guys, it's now happening. Guys, welcome to the live stream. You all can see what's going on right now. Everything is green. And if you have been waiting for the moment where crypto really goes to the moon and shock everybody, this is now going on right now. And if you're not bullish, well, I don't even know if there's any more to tell you guys because the opportunity is right in front of you guys. And today in this live stream, we are going to talk about runes, which is a trend we have been paying attention to and waiting for. And it's now happening, and it's going to be huge because this opportunity is still in its nascent stage. By the time it's catching up to $1 billion market cap per coin and beyond, a lot of us would make hundreds of thousands of dollars or millions of dollars, depending on which coins are you going to be apping in on. So never say I didn't tell you. We are just getting started. All right. So my name is Great BTC. Destroy the like button if you are just joining us, and like the video, obviously, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Tell your friends about it right now. Share it on your social media. And if you're watching on other platforms, Instagram or Facebook, just know that I'm on YouTube. It's best to watch on YouTube because I put links to some of the important things in the description of the video, so you'll be able to follow it on. All right. Something really shocking is happening. I want to show you guys. And a lot of people didn't really know that it's happening or didn't even expect that to happen. So I'm just going to make it clear to you guys because I saw an update about this, and I literally put it on my own Twitter as well. Let me show you guys. Where is that? But there is definitely a discrepancy in the marketplace right now. And that is why Bitcoin looks the way that it does right now. This is the breakdown of what's happening. This is June 4th. That was yesterday. Newly mined Bitcoin, only 450 Bitcoins were mined yesterday. How many Bitcoins were purchased by the ETFs? 12,508 Bitcoin. Nearly $1 billion worth of Bitcoin was purchased through the ETFs on the markets. And this is now the power of the halving starting to show its course. Because before the halving, yesterday we would have seen 900 Bitcoins. But because of the halving, we're now getting less Bitcoin mined each day. But as much as the demand is increasing, Bitcoin is primed to skyrocket. And the guy who posted this is Adam Back, which is one of the co-founders of Bitcoin. Actually, he helped to work with Satoshi to create Bitcoin. So he knows what he's talking about. So he say, hey, Bitcoin still under 100,000, something has to give. And do not forget that yesterday, the government of Thailand also approved Bitcoin ETF in Thailand. And that is why Bitcoin looks the way that it does today, above $71,000 just broke out. At any moment, we should expect 72K and beyond, and then a new all-time high is going to be broken, probably today. I can see this potentially happening today, a new all-time high to be hit, which is going to take us to the next discussion of what we're about to talk about today, which is runes. You cannot see them on CoinMarketCap. You cannot see them on crypto bubbles because most of them are low cap, which is great. But if you're paying attention, which I'll show you, there is an insane amount of wins and pumping that's going on runes right now. So if you guys got any questions, drop the questions in the description below, and I can explain to you guys exactly what is going on and how the game is played. Okay, let me also stream this on Instagram because a lot of Instagram people complain that, hey, Gray, you don't share on Instagram, what. So let's do that for them right now so that nobody complains anymore. But yeah, bring it on. If you're just joining us, man, we're talking about cryptocurrency and the opportunity of our lifetime. If you have no idea how to get started with crypto, this is a great channel for you. People that follow me make money since the beginning. So you're definitely following the right channel, and all you need to do is take action. Nothing that I share on this channel should ever be considered financial advice, but surely I do know a lot about crypto. I'm always early in the new trends, and I told you guys about runes even before they launched. And we have been following runes. I was making videos about runes every day, and now we're starting to reap the benefits of our work. So let me show you what has been happening as far as runes to you guys. Okay, you cannot see runes here, but if you simply, let's say, type dog, you will see that there is a movement right now going on runes that is not being talked about. 30 days activity, 311% pumping. Okay, that's dog. And let's talk about pops. Pops token, pops world peace. All right, 74% in the last 7 days. After a massive dump of 36% in 30 days, you can see this is a massive jump. So there's definitely a trend being created here. We can also look at RSIC, which is coming back. RSIC right here, 40% in the last 7 days. So when you see this, you can definitely see a trend is emerging on runes. And remember, a lot of us got these runes for free. We were mining runes because we had some ordinal NFTs about runes and we got them for free. And now we're starting to reap the benefits of what or the work we put out. And you can also look at other runes like Wanko Manko. Wanko Manko. 23%. So you can definitely see that a lot of runes have gone up by double digit and beyond right now, which is a clear sign of trend rotation in crypto at the moment. Everything is moving away from the Ethereum stuff, is now coming back to the rune meme coins and stuff like that. Even Ordi, which is a high cap coin, you can see the Nitrous Bull called it bullish right here, and yesterday it ripped through. Yesterday and today it ripped through. Today, it basically hit 57, $58 actually almost. It keeps on going. So the trend has been rotated towards runes. And you need to know, create a strategy on how you're going to benefit from this before it's too late. You're going to see 300%, 500%, 1,000% on some of these low cap coins. You just need to know which ones to go all in on. Now, I will switch to Gini data here and guys show you what the current watch list or the top, say, 20 of runes looks like right now, if looking at market cap. All right, so based on market cap alone, okay, let's switch it up. So looking at market cap alone, dog go to the moon is number one, RSIC Runecoin is number two, Pops World Peace number three, Bank of Nakamoto dollar. I don't hold this one at all, but it seems like it's up there. And then you got Epic, Decentralized. I don't own it. Epic, I don't own it. Lobo Wolf Pop. I didn't know that I owned it, but yesterday when we were having a session in our alpha group, somebody brought it up, and I checked my wallet yesterday. I realized that I do own it because I had the airdrop, because I had the Rune Pap, right? So you got a lot of airdrops. Right now, my airdrops that I got from Ordinos, Dog and Lobo and all these paps, I have now more than $200,000 that I got from runes. It's insane, guys. It's definitely insane. Satoshi Nakamoto, we minted this for free also, and now it's at $2.76. Also, sort of doing well. If you have a look, Wanko Manko, 31 cents going right now. And a lot of you guys are like, okay, where do we buy these runes? Because I think just holding the top 5 runes is good enough to basically accelerate you to the moon. Now, if you have no idea how runes work, Runes, let me give you a little breakdown. I made several videos about this before they even launched, but just to make sure nobody is missing out, I will explain to you what runes are. Runes are a token standard on Bitcoin that allows for um, fungible tokens on Bitcoin, which makes it really easier and possible and more efficient to create meme coins on top of Bitcoin. They were created by the same guy who created BRC20s, coins like Ordi with the first BRC20. It was created by Casey. On Twitter, his name is Rod Ammer. So this guy created a new upgrade of this ecosystem, but they launched on Bitcoin halving, which is the worst time to launch because the market was going down at that time, and it didn't really enjoy any activity. They launched and the prices started going down almost immediately. But now that the market is going up, Bitcoin is bullish, the activity on runes is starting to come back. So how did we get into runes? You would get the runes for free. Dog was given out for free to a lot of people. Like if you were holding runestone, which we were talking about runestone a lot in a few months ago, you got free dog coins. If you are holding RSIC Meta Protocol NFTs, you also got a bunch of free tokens. If you had rune pups, which was also an airdrop for free, you also received a lot of rune pup tokens. You converted them. So, but then you could also buy them off exchanges. So if you didn't get them for free, what do you do now? What is the next play you can do? You can buy these coins on your own off exchanges. For example, you can go to CoinW, has been listing a lot of runes projects. So you go to coinw.com. They listed Dog, they listed RuneCoin, they listed a lot of runes projects. So you can buy a lot of them here on CoinW. Just make sure if you're gonna buy them from CoinW, to create an account, use my link in the description below because I'll get some kickbacks for that. And also OKX listed RuneCoin. RuneCoin is available on OKX also, but most of the coins are available on this platform, coinw.com. If you go to markets, you'll be able to see it. On markets, you'll be able to see they have a dedicated runes here, runes market. So they have decentralized listed, Dog listed, Meme Rune listed, Satoshi Nakamoto listed, RSIC Meta Protocol also right here listed. So you have no excuse to not ape in. Of course, this is not financial advice, guys, but I'm telling you what I am doing. Just like yesterday, I dropped $80,000 on RuneCoin myself, and I will show you why I did that. I made a tweet before showing you guys that I dropped $100,000 on Dogecoin. That was in March. That investment didn't go well. Now I lost, it went down to like $80,000. So I lost 20K. I could wait for Dogecoin to recover, but it's taking too long and I'm seeing other opportunities like runes that I think are going to rip. So I sold my Dogecoin and I ended up buying Rune RSIC yesterday. You can see this is the trade. I walked away from my Dogecoin with a loss of $20,000. Now I took that 80,000, I put it in RuneCoin on OKX, and now we'll find out how it goes over time. But so far, that's what I did. So let me just check how much that position is doing right now. Let's see how that position is doing. Yeah, so, RuneCoin is a little down today, so it's not doing that great, but I'm positive that this is going to be a very interesting play for me. But we'll see how it goes. You never know. I could also lose money, which I am okay with. But I told you guys already that I'm all in on this market right now. I'm not playing. I'm balls deep. If it goes south, I will lose my money. But if it comes back, if it goes the way that I expect it to go, I will make life-changing money. So if you want to buy RuneCoin, it's available on OKX. It's also available on CoinW. All exchanges that I use, I have the links in the description below. You use my links, You get lower fees, welcome bonuses, but also you support the channel. So make sure you use it, take advantage of it. It's a win-win situation. All right. So let's move on to just look at the charts for some of these coins that I'm talking about here. I will read your comments after a little bit of TA on Wizards. So this is Wizards right now, guys. Wizards is looking like this. After launched on Runes, it basically got decimated. And on the 29th of May, the amazing Nitrous Bull made a call when it was only $3 saying, hey, this one is bullish. It was at $2.63. And since then, it has been climbing. We're now standing at $6.47. And look at how much ground it has to cover just to break even. Look at it, guys. Just to break even, it has to go up by 378% to go to $30 and then some more. So I mean, this is not financial advice, but I'm extremely bullish on Wizards. And the Twitter account is getting busy again. If you don't know what Wizards are, this is the coin. Bitcoin Wizards, one of the earliest interesting Bitcoin projects. It's a BRC20, right? And there's a lot of discrepancies on the market, which means if you know how to arbitrage, you can arbitrage it because of the fractions in the market. It's been trading on different prices on different exchanges right now. And it's available on BingX right now. A link to BingX, you can also find it on the description below. If you know how to trade on DEX, you can trade on OKX, Orinos, and also on Unisat. But Bitcoin Wizards, I think it has a huge upside. If it just breaks out from here to just breaking even, guys, it's going to be a huge win. Now, you have to be aware this is a very early coin. It has good tokenomics, only 21 million coins in existence. That's why the price appears too high, but it's not because the market cap is only 165 million. But it's a meme coin. Something can go wrong to Bitcoin and the market crashes. Coins like this will suffer the most. So if you're going to buy in, you have to be aware of the risk that you are partaking in. I'm not giving any financial advice here. All right. So never say I didn't tell you about Wizards, though. Okay. The next one that I want to talk about, we talk about Runecoin, we talk about Satoshi Nakamoto, but I didn't show you the chart for Satoshi Nakamoto. Satoshi Nakamoto Rune. This one is available on Gate. You can also see that the Nitrous Bull has called it bull on the 2nd of June. Since then, it started climbing a little bit. And by the time it breaks even, here, it's already 74%. By the time it beats the previous all-time high, it's going to be already 107%. So this one is also available on CoinW. You can get it there if you want. But look at the volumes here. The volumes are not lying. Each and every day, it's adding up and printing. If you want to get this Nitrous Bull thing that I use, guys, you can get it from cryptouniversity.network. And then you go to Signals, and it's right here, Nitrous Bull Crypto Indicator. You put it in your trading view and it shows you when they are opportunity to buy or opportunities to sell. So make sure you get it. You only pay once. Of course, you have to spend money, but it's an investment for your trading activities. The good news about Runes, however, by the way, is that Cassie did not commit seppuku. The agreement was that if Runes do not hit $1 billion market cap as an entire ecosystem, Casey, the creator, was going to commit seppuku. And that didn't work because we now crossed the red line, which was $1 billion. Now we're already at $2.17 billion. Now remember, this is a market cap for the entire Rune space. Dogecoin, or let's say WIF alone as a coin on its own, it has a higher market cap than Runes, an entire ecosystem. That is how big this opportunity is. So you guys never say that I didn't tell you. I'm sure very soon we're going to be celebrating the wins from Runes, right? Still climbing. It's not going to be an easy ride, guys, but we're going to the moon regardless. Now, for those of you who are like, oh, we also want to get some free runes, you can mint your own runes if you want. There's minting still going on. Look for interesting stuff. Recently, I saw people were minting Trump on runes. I didn't mint it, but I think it's starting to go up. So explore what's working. I made videos on how to do this before on this channel. You can just look it up. If you are clueless, that's why you need to get the Web3 Masterclass at Crypto University to learn about all this stuff. Anyway, let's look at you guys' comments and questions that you may have. Runes will kill BRC 20, bro. Get rid of this wizard ASAP. Yeah, I don't think BRC 20 will completely die. They're still going to exist. So I wouldn't be so quick to get rid of wizards. Wizards is an OG coin. I mean, they can also do a bridge to runes anytime if they want to. Nobody is stopping them from doing that. But it just is one of the coolest communities on crypto. It's an old meme in cryptocurrency, so you can't really easily get rid of it. Yeah, you definitely need a Natros bull indicator. Absolutely, you better get that right now after the live stream. I'm buying more RSIC right now. Hell, man, good luck. I'm all in, as you can see. I'm all in. I'm balls deep, like 6 figures in that thing. Get.io listed, dog. Yeah. Get also listed. What do you think about beer? You guys asked me about it yesterday. I didn't buy. But what I want to talk about actually when it comes to Solana meme coins, I want to talk about Iggy, by the way. Iggy Azalea's mother coin has now reached $100 million market cap. And I told you guys, what did I say? I said, yo, I know there's these celebrity meme coins are being hated and they're definitely not the best strategy for crypto. But I told you, you never know how they're going to play out. So you spread and pray. That's why I bought a bunch of them, all of them. I bought everything. And then I just let it run. So far, Davido went to zero. I lost money on that. Jenner, I sold early enough, thankfully. And I bought Jenner on Ethereum. And then what was the other celebrity meme coin I bought also? It also went to zero. But this one worked. So if you got in at like $4 million market cap or a little bit earlier, now look, we're now at $100 million market cap. It even went to $111 million. So I put in $1,000 at like 4 or 5 million market cap. And now I don't even know how much that is right now. I think it's probably have $50,000 on it or something like that at this point. I haven't sold still, I'm still holding. So that's the game of meme coins, guys. You have to understand that you lose money on a lot of stuff, but when something works, it works really big. Trump would say it works bigly. And in this case, Iggy has worked bigly. I might take some profit, I might not, I don't know. I'm not really pressed about it. And another thing that also is worth discussing here is still, oh, did Champ Medici launch his own coin? Why didn't he tell me? So Champ Medici is a son of Snoop Dogg, and I know him because we met in Singapore. So I don't know if this is originally his coin, but I will text him and find out if it is him. If it is, no, it's not him. Or let me just look up his Twitter if he has posted about it. Because if it is, I'll buy it. No, he hasn't posted anything to do with Solana. He's more into games and stuff. So that coin, when you see it, it's not the real deal. Don't buy it. The Champ coin is fake. Unless you just want to flip it, trade, but I wouldn't recommend it. So that is the play, guys. You know, you have to follow the right people. And most importantly, you have to be in the alpha group. If you're not, you never miss out on anything. We do live sessions there, sharing our trades, our investment buys and sells and everything. So you're always on top of the game. So join the alpha group if you can afford it. It's definitely worth your money. If you are clueless, get the Crypto University Web3 Masterclass. $500, yes. You need to pay money and spend it, but it's going to be worth it. You'll become more successful. So there's always a price for everything. Now, let me look at your guys' comments. Okay, I'm taking all you say that's financial advice. I'm going all in, bro. Yeah, just be aware that if it doesn't work, if you end up losing money, never blame anybody. This is crypto. But I do have a suggestion. Just in case you lose money in crypto, this is what you can do. I will show you what I told other people. Somebody asked me today, they're like, oh, what if I lose money in crypto? And you know what I told them? I was like, yo, look, what on what post? Yeah, I showed them this. This is in San Francisco yesterday. I saw this bus and it says, now hiring bus operators. So if you lose money in crypto, my friend, you know what to do. You always have options, McDonald's or becoming a bus driver. It's perfectly okay. You and then until you wait for the market until you bounce back. All right? I told you about that. Do you believe in Cosmos coins? I don't trade them. I don't really know much about it. Do you do copy trading? Yes, I do have accounts on OKX and Bybit. I don't do it too much, but I do when I see an opportunity. But the thing is, the best performing coins that I like to trade are not usually listed on exchanges because by the time it's on Bybit or Binance or all these big exchanges, it's usually too late. So I trade mostly on chain these days. Where to invest in runes? Okay, here's the thing. You want to invest in runes? Go to in the description of my video on YouTube. There, even in the link in bio on my Instagram, you'll find a link to CoinW. CoinW is listing more runes than anybody else in crypto right now. It's a crypto exchange. And then you buy the runes there. You can see you got decentralized. All the runes that I talked about on this live stream that I bought, you can also find them here. So go to CoinW, make sure you use my link to get low fees and welcome bonuses. And you also support the channel by doing that. That's how you can get into runes, amigo. Waffles coin, I don't hold any Waffles coin. Thoughts on Arrow, I don't hold it. Do you think dog can reach price of $50? No, I don't think so. Dog has 21 billion supply, so you have to be aware. What's your favorite coin? Short term and long term? Long term, Ondo. Short term, runes. Like you can pick any rune coin that you want. Okay. When do we short BTC? Right now, we have a premium price on 4 hour. I'm not shorting anything. I talked about this already on the previous live streams that the dumbest thing you can do in a market like this is to short anything. There is more than enough money on the upside just being long. Never short a bull run, guys. You're always going to regret it. You see all the guys that are hating on Ando? Why are they hating? I showed you exactly what happened. They try to short it and then they got wrecked, they lost money. Then they come back on Twitter and say, oh, this coin is gonna all go to zero. It's like you're just angry because you lost money. Be honest. So do not short the pump. Respect the pump. Do not short it. Respect the pump, guys. Otherwise, you're going to regret it. If anything, you should be longing right now. There is no incentive for you to be shorting. Okay. Is there anything I didn't address before I go? Yeah. So I see here you say just learning about Rune for the first time today, runes. The crypto space requires so much learning. Yeah, exactly. Look, if you want to maximize your gains and your profits in crypto, knowledge and community is number one. Knowledge meaning that you learn everything the right way to make sure you're not getting scammed, and you're also aware of the right things that matter. Two, you need a community. A community are people that you talk to on the everyday basis. You exchange information. You log in onto the Telegram group or Discord. You see what they're talking about. Then you know that, okay, this is probably something I should buy or I should look into. If you're just watching YouTube videos, it's not that helpful at all because by the time, like I'm making one live stream per day right now in 24 hours. So if I see something right after this live stream, there's no way for you to get it but I will post it in my alpha group. So you need a community where you can always exchange information with others. That's why you got to join the alpha group. I've been telling you guys about it. Join the alpha group. Join the alpha group. People who are in the alpha group were the first people to be in Ordinos. We minted them for free. They were the first people to be in rooms because we minted them for free. We got the NFTs for free. We also got the tokens for free. And then we bought in early. Now, when you see those guys starting to make six figures, you have to understand they made a commitment. They were spending $500 per month to be in the alpha group. But look how it paid off. All right. So you always have to be aware, guys. Eltech says STX is flying. Yeah, I think STX is just recovering price because it saw a lot of dump recently. But then the Bitcoin eco is coming back, so it is to be expected that the BTC related coins will keep on pumping, STX included. Do I have a Telegram group? Yeah, the link is also in the description. Most anticipated crypto lover. Where to buy that? Where to buy what? The Alpha group, you can join it through Crypto University. You go to cryptouniversity.network. This is the website. And then you just go to Alpha group. And this is the Alpha group. Where if you're asking about where to buy the tokens, the runes, you can buy them from CoinW using the link in my description of the video or link in bio on Instagram. See a lot of watchers on Instagram here. Guys, always come and watch on YouTube because you get the screen is bigger and you can also get to see what I'm doing and the links are always there. You get what I'm saying. All right, my friends, it's time for me to go. I hope I delivered enough content to help everybody here makes money. This is our year. This is the year of the underdog. This is the year of the underdogs. This is the year for all of us to make money. I am in the US. I've been checking out real estate and it's really, really expensive. Doesn't even make sense. Doesn't even make money. Except if you buy big, like if you have like 10 units and then you're renting them out short term or long term, it makes sense. So there is no investment better than crypto in the world right now, where you can become a millionaire overnight. And a lot of people in the US, they're complaining. They're like, the boomers destroyed everything. Now we can't even afford to buy homes. I'm like, yeah, true. But you have to remember, the previous generation had to work the same job for 30 years plus to afford that mortgage and maintain the rent. There was no Bitcoin during their time. No Bitcoin, no runes, no meme coins. There was no such a thing as becoming a millionaire overnight. Right now we have that opportunity in our lifetime. Yeah, the homes are expensive, but if you're in crypto, you can make a lot of money in the short term and then you buy whatever you want. But most people aren't taking the leap. They think they would rather say, oh, crypto is a scam. I'm like, okay, then you deserve to be poor, maybe. So I'm all in. You guys can see everything that I'm doing. I'm sharing every move that I make in this crypto. I tell you guys the truth because I'm the best out there when it comes to this market and my community. I make sure that everybody is eating, everybody wins. I don't dump on anyone. I don't make my own coin just so that I can dump on my own community. I would rather find good opportunities, invest, make money, and then also share it with you so that we can all succeed together. It's always better that way. All right. So business is a best investment tool. Yeah. Except that business requires you to be managing it, right? Look, I have businesses myself. I have a farm. I have other things, but nothing comes close to crypto because it allows me to travel, be anywhere I want, anytime, and also make money easily. There is nothing like crypto right now. I can promise you that nothing. Everybody I meet, I'm in San Francisco right now with a lot of startup founders. They have AI companies, and all they're telling me, they're like, yo, bro, you're in the best market because For us, we have to really grind and then we hope that we're going to make money one day at some point when we sell the company or whatever. But you guys are literally printing money. I'm like, yep, that's it. So, and they're like, if only I knew, I mean, how can I just get into this space? And I tell them, man, join Crypto University. Join Crypto University. Don't even think twice about it. Get on it, spend time, take the course, and then boom, you will understand. 40% of crypto entrepreneurs make money. 30% of businesses make money. I think a small number of crypto guys make money. It's like you have to be in the 5%. However, it's not difficult to be in the 5%. All you need is education in crypto. That's all you need. But most people don't really educate themselves. They wake up, they watch a YouTube video or a TikTok, and then somebody talk about, oh, there's this coin, meme coin, and they go and buy, and then they lose. And then they hate crypto. And then they hear something again months later, then they go, maybe this time it's going to be right. They buy blindly and then boom, lose money. Crypto has, yeah, you're right. Crypto has the highest success rate. If you do it right, take your education, follow the right people, because it's one of the markets that is also filled with scammers and liars and projectors. So you have to be careful. Take your education, go to cryptouniversity.network. There is the Web3 masterclass there. Take it. It's going to save you millions or thousands, whatever you're going to invest. Don't make a mistake of just thinking that because you're following some influencer and then you think everything they say is gospel. No, don't do it. Learn so that even if somebody tells you something, you'll be able to discern the truth and the chaff. Be like, okay, which one is the real deal? So you get the Crypto Web3 Masterclass. It's the only crypto course you need, cryptouniversity.network. I gotta go, guys, but thank you. Incredible hanging out with you. I will see you on the next chapter. Enjoy making money from runes. I think they're gonna rip. If not, I have enough patience to wait until the trend really takes off. But I do think that that moment